All right, guys, here's what it looks like. It's all put back together, running. Everything's in place. The belt routing, everything looks good. Be careful when you put the belts on. Make sure you don't put anything on backwards, because if it runs it backwards, it's going to end up costing you money, because you know your water pump, if it doesn't run worth a hoot backwards, your air conditioning doesn't work, etc., etc., etc. So make sure they get everything put together. The only thing of note is when I put the pins back in for the inlet plenum, it's under tension. Once I hooked up these tubes, the inlet from the intercoolers, which is providing your turbo pressure air into the throttle body, I had to literally push on this thing to get it tight, to get those two plastic pins even in. So those little tabs, nothing to even worry about if you break them off. Don't go out of your way to break them off, obviously. Keep them on there as best you can, but it's not an end of story kind of a thing if they do break off, because guess what? They're in there to stay. They're not going anywhere. So there you have it. 2-hour job, and that included putting a new air cabin charcoal air filter in. Alrighty. If you got any questions, message me. I'll let you know what I got. Take care. Have a good day.